Hi everyone, I'm Zia with Mark Bolender of Remax Gateway. Mark is personally assisting relocation buyers around town this week. I'm stepping in for Olivia, the other spokesperson who went over part one of our two-part series a few days ago. Welcome back. So here we go. I'm sharing some eye-opening insights about the housing markets in California and Texas that might completely change how you think about real estate in these two powerhouse states. We just completed an in-depth analysis comparing housing policies and market performance, and the numbers tell a fascinating story. Let me give you the highlights that every homeowner and investor needs to know. You can get the full analysis by going to the description below and clicking on the website link for sign up. First, let's talk about what it actually costs to own a home. In California, property owners pay an average of 0.75% in property taxes thanks to Proposition 13's protections. But in Texas, they're paying 1.67%. That's more than double. For a $400,000 home, that's the difference between $3,000 and $6,680 per year. Over 30 years, Texas homeowners pay over $108,000 more in taxes alone. Now, here's where it gets really interesting, the market dynamics. California is showing remarkable stability with just a 0.3% price decline and healthy 3.7 months of inventory. Meanwhile, Texas is experiencing something unprecedented. Inventory exploded to over 123,000 listings. That's 53% above normal levels and the highest we've seen in over a decade. Austin alone saw home values drop 20% from their peaks, and nearly 28% of all Texas listings had price cuts. But here's what really caught our attention: the professional exodus. California retained 95% of its real estate agents and actually saw new licenses increase by 7%. Texas, they lost 8% of their licensed professionals, signaling serious concerns about market conditions. And speaking of migration patterns, remember all those people who moved to Texas during the pandemic? Well, that 62% drop in new residents moving to Texas, combined with continued building, created this massive oversupply we're seeing now. Even some high-profile relocators like comedian Tim Dillon have already moved back to California. Thank you for watching. Please click like, subscribe, and or leave a comment. If you could share this video with just 3 people to help us get the word out, we'd really appreciate it.